Welcome back to Eli Works. Glad to have you. Today we're working on a Christmas tree topper. The star we had lost a couple lights, so I can either find bulbs and fix that, or I can 3D print a new one, put some different lights in it, like some C7 bulbs, like the ones I put on my garage, and make a new one. Here's the old one, and this is the one we're going to. Oh, it looks nice. I don't know if it's the right size or anything, but let's find out. So, what we have here is 3D printed star. Didn't turn out terrible. Bulbs. I got these from like, what was it? One of those 1,000 LED bulb website. They're like the vivid color bulbs. They have them on Amazon too, I think. And this is just the bulk C7 bulb cord. We're going to see if we can put this together. We're definitely going to have some cord to deal with. This cord was left over from when I did the garage. C7. They make bigger ones. C9. I don't know if these chamfers are big enough. UL approved. We'll have to package that in there. Holy cow. Should actually cut it. So the professionals just cut their cords to length, put ends on. Make the rest of us look like our stuff sucks. It's not terribly more expensive than Menards or Walmart junk, and we'll see how it works out. Just split these ends open. The rib side goes to the neutral. Your vampire plugs have offset teeth, so neutral goes to ribbed one. Shove it in the holder. Hold it back. Cap only goes on one way. So there's that. Dun dun dun. Dun dun. There we have it, folks. New Christmas tree topper. That's not bright enough. I don't know what is. Not too shabby.